Hey guys, Brian here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this travel trailer, Cardinal. It's a great unit, good condition, dual propane here in the front, auxiliary battery. Have a slide with a slide topper here as well. Great for just starting out on your RV journey or upgrading from maybe a smaller travel trailer to a little bigger one. Got our awning, of course. Previous owners took really good care of it. Of course, have this area. This is actually a big bunk area here. Nice big bathroom. And our queen size bed here. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us. 772-288-2221. Thanks so much and have a nice day.